Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to pay your Fidelity credit card. We will cover the most convenient ways to manage your payments, ensuring you never miss a due date. You can easily pay online through the Fidelity website or mobile app, set up automatic payments, or explore other traditional methods. Our goal is to help you understand all your options for a smooth and stress-free payment experience. Paying online is often the quickest and most secure method. First, log in to your Fidelity account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the credit card section where you will find options to make a payment. You can link your checking or savings account to transfer funds directly. Remember, you have the flexibility to make a single payment or set up recurring payments for future convenience. While online payments are popular, other methods are available. You can call the customer service number found on your monthly statement to make a payment over the phone. Alternatively, you may mail a check or money order to the designated payment address. Many banks also offer an online bill pay service, allowing you to send payments directly from your bank account to your Fidelity credit card. To maintain good financial health, always pay at least the minimum amount due by the payment deadline. Ideally, paying your full statement balance each month will help you avoid any interest charges. It is also a good practice to regularly review your account statements and payment history. This ensures all payments are processed correctly and helps you stay on top of your credit card management.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.